Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for my rolling 5 pan that I'm doing with my bestie Amanda. I'm going to have her link down below, so definitely go check out her update and her progress from the past month. This is just a basic rolling 5 pan. We picked 5 products and we're working on them. As we finish one up, we roll it out and we roll in a new one. I actually have something to roll out. Finally, my first product that I can roll out for this project. Yay! Alright, the first empty that I have, this is the e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder, and says it's in sheer. I can tell you that I did like this product. I hate the packaging on it. It's too tiny. So I ended up having to take the sifter out and just using it that way, using a small brush to use under my eyes. And I did really like the product. I won't repurchase this though, because honestly, it reminds me exactly of the e.l.f. High Definition Powder, like their translucent one. And the packaging in that is better. It's more product, and I just think it's a better value. This might be slightly finer milled, which is probably better for your under eye area, but I didn't see enough of a difference between the two to warrant buying this tiny little package again. So when I buy my e.l.f. High Definition Powder again, I'm just going to use it under my eyes as well. So, liked it, but I wouldn't repurchase. Okay, my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, I haven't even touched. I'm not even going to bother showing it to you because what's the point? And let me show you the other 3 products that I do have some progress on. Starting with the one with the least amount of progress, that is my Hair Omega Argan Oil Conditioner. You can see at the red is where I was last time, and I'm now at the purple. This is going to start getting a lot more usage now. I had a shampoo and conditioner duo in Peeping Pan, and I've already hit goal on that, and that video is already up. So if I remember, I will put it up in the cards. So now, this is my only conditioner that I have in a project, so this should start seeing some major progress. With the shampoo that I have in this is the Active Wow. It's a hair restoration. You know, in case your hair is falling out, which mine isn't any longer, but when I got this, it was right after I had my daughter and my hair was coming out in clumps. So, I just want to use it up. I am doing pretty good. I was up here last update, and now I'm down here at this bottom red line. I hope to have this done by the next update, because like I said, I don't have that shampoo and conditioner competing for time anymore, so I will be exclusively using this one, so hopefully this can be done by the next update. Okay, and my last product that I am rolling over is the Benefit What's Up. It's a highlighter. These are my progress lines here, and I was at the red last time. Now I'm at this bottom purple, and that is visually how much product that I have left. So I'm doing pretty good. I'm really enjoying this product. And, yeah, I probably would repurchase this, which is funny because I don't like cream products, but I'm very much enjoying this. All right, now for what I'm rolling in. I'm technically rolling in 2 products, even though I finished one, but they work in conjunction with one another, so I'm rolling them in as one product. This is the Exuviance HA100 Micro Filler Patches and the Hyaluronic Acid Serum to work with it. And this is just one set of patches, so this won't take long, but the hyaluronic acid serum will take a little bit longer. Still, I am hoping to have it done by the next update because this is a 30-day supply in here, so I should have it done by then. That is everything, short and sweet and to the point, because it's 5 products. No big deal. Definitely go check out Amanda. Like I said, she's going to be linked down below, and that girl, let me tell you, she blows through products, so her update is probably going to be a lot better than mine. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.